Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. Welcome you all to my channel. And this session, I'm just going to come with a new scanner based on the Camarilla pivot point. So, which we have already created a web-based application. So, which helping you to find out the Camarilla pivot levels and along with the volume and transaction based EOD scanner. It is not about a real time. It is an end of the day. So we are using some files to get the data. So after that, we have to check that particular stocks from tomorrow's tracking purpose. So here are a lot of questions on the scanner, how to create, how to use it, and how we can effectively use this things which I'm going to discuss here in this video. So first you need to understand the Camarilla pivot point. So where you are looking at the Camarilla pivots, which are one of the pivot points. So we will be getting from yesterday's value. So where you are looking at this pivot, we seen that a pivot point is calculated based on the 1 day prior value. So I low close of yesterday. So we will be plotting the next day. So by using an yesterday's high low close values, we can easily able to plot the next day. So that is the major important of this particular scanner. Using a previous day's value, so we will be getting that tomorrow's value 1 day at once. So there is a lot of setups in this particular thing, so which we can filter out like a narrow, inside, outside, something like that, which we are going to plan with this particular scanner. And if you find out such a inside or narrow, so like this is like a inside one. So after that, we can expect either upside or downside. So after like a narrowing, and then we can expect for a breakout. So such a kind of things which we can easily identify with that scanner, because we didn't get we have a charting. So we created a lot of scanners in charting, and but the charting doesn't provide you the direct option data. So only equity, and then we to convert into options, future or options. But we develop a web-based application where we can easily identify directly in the options. It will be directly reading the option data, and it will be plotting that exact values on what we are looking for. So for example, it required 2 days data to calculate, because today and previous day. Today's data is nothing about the yesterday, and yesterday is the day before yesterday. For example, if I want to calculate for tomorrow, so already market is over today, so today's data we have to upload here, and we will be uploading yesterday's data. Let's assume if you are uploading here 5th, then you have to upload 4, then the data will be generated for the next Monday around 8th. So the data which we are going to get it for 8th. So there is no confusion. Today means yesterday's data, yesterday means previous to previous, and today market is over. So if you are using today's data and yesterday's data, that would be for next day. Okay, so if the data is what you are uploading, so it will be going to. So here we are using the bow copies to identify. So for an example, I will be just going to use the bow copy of 4th and 3rd. So I use 2 days bow copy. So 4th is the today, means we are using this data for 5th of the month. So you can just calculate how many data. This is for results to get in volume contract on that particular point. So here it is delivering results. I'm just opening that Excel sheet. So after here is the total data where we get it in all the contracts. So open ILO close, because that Camarilla pivot point were calculated open ILO close, and here it will be easily filtering out the narrow. So for example, what are the stocks today is very narrow. So TCS 2240, let me check that in directly in the option strike price. So we will be checking that TCS 2280 on the call strike price. You look at this, exactly inside a very narrow level which you are looking at in this particular charts, it is defaultly filtered. So we are using fourth and third data. So this is the fourth and this is the third. So using 2 days data, we will be already finding out the fifth of data before market open, because we have the data by around fourth evening 8:30. After we will be getting the data, so we will be 1 day advance. We can find out that which is an inside. What we called inside, it is an R3 and S3 between. So that we called inside. But if the day levels, it is inside between R4 and S4, that we consider as a inside. This we consider as a narrow. Okay, so we easily find out what the data, and it is going to tell you. So let me open the chart, and after forming this particular data, so it is rejected at R4 and opened at that R4. Maybe S4 support broken from 41 and it is closed 36. Okay, so some other stocks we seen in the same Geofin to 37.5. This is a call side where we are going to check. This is also inside. Okay, so like that, that particular data which you are separate out inside. This is the put side insides, and sorry, narrow, and inside is nothing about inside between R4 and S4, and higher value, that means the entire levels of the Camarilla today is greater than the previous day. So lower values exactly lower than that. Let me check any one example. REC 335. I think today morning that was moved slightly positive. I seen that in an intraday scanner. You can look at this. It is entirely greater than the previous day. The first candle itself, it has started big and taken as R4 support around 12, and it went to 17, then closed by 14. So here we can use an R4 higher value, and lower value example comparatively lower than the previous day. So let me go for BHL 392.5. This is comparatively lower. Maybe something is happening, so it is gap lower like that, not a liquid one. So BHL 390, it's a liquidity issue. Not right. That particular strike only it's showing like this. So it is selecting a ATM strike price. So let me check some other VMM 119. That's also not liquid. Policy Bazaar 1540. This is comparatively downside. So that is what a lower value. Previously, one we seen is an higher value. Okay, so 3 consecutive lower value, but it's a liquidity issue. So while we are very options. Okay, so and we have a top 10 outputs. So nothing about it is comparatively comparing to days, how much volume is happening last trading, that is fourth on that particular day. So we normally use seeking the open interest and changes in the open interest, and the third one is about the top 10 volume. In the top 10 volume, so we can see Trent, Tata Motor passenger vehicle. Normally TCS, Reliance, HDFC Bank, SBI, and ICICI came in this scanner. So Trent, so maybe if I'm just looking at Trent, maybe good movement can be seen in that. Either the side, we are not deciding the side. Either the side, if you are looking at the trend, so today after this start, it was keep on moving lower. Even if you are just looking at a 5 minutes breakout, so it has not broken the high, broken the low. So maybe some good downside move. And the second one, TMP, Tata Motor passenger vehicle. Okay, so that is also initially here, and then there is a down movement. Something it works good. And Reliance, we are not Voltas maybe, and Adani end. So these are all the yesterday high volume. So maybe tomorrow, today it can maybe continue that things. Maybe a good opportunity. Voltas also it is a normal one. So Adani end. Sorry. This one a huge one. Maybe if it has a break of 5 minutes high and huge stop loss in the first candle itself. So simply ignore or after settle that there is a hammer candle, something like that, which is happening. So we may be finding some good opportunity with that. So that is what the scan which is going to be find it out on top 10 stocks. And top 10 transaction, that means a number of contract traded or the trade executed, seem like that most of the times is similar, where you can comparing this two and finding or tracking some stocks for next day trading. So like that, you get a today's bar copy, you will be able to find out what are the stocks which we can track inside higher value, lower value, top 10 outputs, where you can using this scanner you can get it out with this particular Camarilla based option scanner. So that is what the thing which you have created, the same web based app like positional scanner. So that is directly linking to our positional strategy, because we build the scanner based on the strategy. So we have a positional course based on that, and intraday we have developed one more scanner is based on the price, volume and number of contract is traded. And here this is a Camarilla scanner, so where you can use the EOD based Camarilla in options, Camarilla levels in exactly options, so that you can if anyone who required this kind of scanners, you can just directly ping me on my WhatsApp number which is shown here, and you will be getting more details about the scanners and screeners. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. If you have any questions or at all, just comment on the comment box below. Thank you.